The human body is composed of about 75 trillion cells, the smallest living unit that exists. Body cells can be classified into 300 types, such as neurons, epithelial cells, muscle cells, and red blood cells. Each type of cells has unique structure for performing specific functions. The plasma membrane forms the outer boundary of a cell. It maintains the integrity of a cell by separating intracellular fluid from extracellular fluid surrounding the cell. Tails of a plasma membrane allow lipid-soluble substances to pass across the membrane but prevent the passage of water-soluble substances. Thus, the plasma membrane serves as a barrier between water-soluble substances in the intercellular and extracellular fluids. Many different types of protein molecules are embedded in the plasma membrane, and each type has specific functions that influences the function of a cell. Other proteins are enzymes that catalyze the metabolic reaction. Cytoplasm. The interior of a cell between the plasma membrane and the nucleus is filled with a semi-fluid material called cytoplasm. It is composed of a gel-like fluid called cytosol, which is 75 to 90% of water and contains organic and inorganic substances. Organelles means little organs. They are surrounded by cytosol. Organelles are distinguished by size, shape, structure, and specific functions. Nucleus is the largest organelle. It is a spherical or egg-shaped structure that is slightly more dense than the surrounding cytoplasm. It is separated from the cytoplasm by a double-layered nuclear envelope containing numerous pores that allow the movement of material between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. When a cell is not dividing, chromosomes are extended to form thin threads that appear as chromatin. Nucleolus is a dense spherical body. It consists of RNA and protein, and it is the site for ribosome production. Ribosomes are tiny organelles that appear as granules within the cytoplasm, even in the electron photomicrograph. They are composed of ribosomal RNA and proteins, which are performed in a nucleolus before migrating from the nucleus into the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are sites for protein synthesis in the cells. The endoplasmic reticulum, the numerous membranes that extend from the nucleus throughout the cytoplasm, are collectively called the endoplasmic reticulum. This membrane provides some support for the cytoplasm and form a network of channels that facilitate the movement of material within the cell. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum or rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is characterized by a presence of numerous ribosomes located on the outer surface of the membrane. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes and serve as sites for lipid synthesis. The Golgi complex processes and sorts synthesized substances such as protein into vesicles. Vesicles are tiny membranous sacs that carry substances from one place to another place within a cell. Secretory vesicles transport substances to the plasma membrane and release them outside the cell. The mitochondria are relatively large organelles that characterized by having a folded internal membrane and surrounded by a smooth external membrane. The internal membrane folds, called the crista, possess the enzymes involved in the aerobic respiration. The release of energy from the nutrients and the formation of ATP by aerobic respiration occur within the mitochondria. For this reason, mitochondria are sometimes called the powerhouses of a cell. Mitochondria can replicate themselves if the need of additional ATP production increases. Lysosomes are formed by the Golgi complex. They are small vesicles that contain powerful digestive enzymes. These enzymes are used to digest bacteria that may have entered the cell, cell parts that need to be replacement, and the entire cells that have to become damaged or worn out. Thus, they play an important role in cleaning up the cellular environment. Microtubules are long, thin protein tubules that provide support for the cell and are involved in movement of organelles. Microfilaments are tiny rods of contractile protein that not only support the cell but also play an important role in movement of cell and cell division. The centrioles are two short cylinders that are located near the nucleus and are oriented at the right angles to each other. 9 triplets of microtubules are arranged in circular pattern to form the wall of each cylinder. Centrioles form and organize the spindle fibers during the cell division. These are numerous short hair-like projections from the cells that in the humans they are used to move substances along with the free cell surfaces in the areas such as respiratory and reproductive tracts. Flagella are long white-like projections from the cells. In the human, only sperm possesses flagella, and each sperm has a single flagellum that enables movement. Microvilli are extensions of plasma membrane that are smaller and more numerous than cilia. They do not move like cilia or flagella, but they increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and therefore aid absorption of substances.